Let's practice a tongue twister. The Europeans didn't use euros in Europe a few years ago. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Yes, yes, yes. Yesterday, yesterday, yesterday. You, you, you. Young, young, young. University, university, university. Yard, yard, yard. Yun, yun, yun. Youth, youth, youth. User, user, user. Useful, useful, useful. Usual, usual, usual. Uniform, uniform, uniform. Unique, unique, unique. Unite, unite, unite. Universe, universe, universe. Unicellular, unicellular, unicellular. Yourself, yourself, yourself. Unit, unit, unit. Union, union, union. Unity, unity, unity. Use, use, use. Utensil, utensil, utensil. Unify, unify, unify. Univocal, univocal, univocal. Unilateral, unilateral, unilateral. Utilize, utilize, utilize. Universal, universal, universal. Yahoo, yahoo, yahoo. Yester, yester, yester. Yonder, yonder, yonder. Yogurt, yogurt, yogurt. Yolk, yolk, yolk. Yoga, yoga, yoga. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Euro, euro, euro. Yo-yo, yo-yo, yo-yo. Yun, yun, yun. Yup, yup, yup. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yet, yet, yet. Yum, yum, yum. Yell, yell, yell. Yoke, yoke, yoke. Ewer, ewer, ewer. Youth, youth, youth. You, you, you. You'll, you'll, you'll. Yelp, yelp, yelp. Eurasian, Eurasian, Eurasian. Thanks for staying with us and subscribe this channel for more contents.